guys, welcome to the channel. My name is from Princess Secrets, and you know guys, I Princess Secrets everywhere. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and wonderful Queen Anna's from Frozen 2 origami bird letter delivery with the help of Gale Wind. Okay guys, so how I made this? Just very easy. Just take a square shaped paper, fold it on a triangular shape, fold it on a triangular shape again, and then just put it on normal, and then just fold half again, and this, and continue, and just put it like normal again, and just put it half from on that side, and then just what you need to do is, there is a triangular shape, so just let the paper stand like this. Okay guys, like this. Wait a minute, showing you. And then like this, look, like this, like in this triangular shape, and then just fold like this. Okay guys, like this, and then what you need to do is just like this, and then just fold it like again. Okay guys, and then just fold it like this, and then fold it like this again, and then just fold it again, here fold it like this, and now here you go. Your perfect frozen beautiful origami bird letter delivery is done. Okay guys, see you guys next time. Bye. Peace. And subscribe to my channel and stay sweet. And if you like this video, give me likes and comments and share this video with others. Bye guys. Peace. Bye guys. Peace.